Hey everybody! So as you know, I own the Fully Promoted store here in Encinitas, and in these kind of crazy times of self-isolation and 6 feet distances, a lot of the cities like ours is instilling a face mask rule so that if you go out in public and you are shopping or getting your essentials, or you're in front of customers, if you're open still for business, if you aren't a medical professional, and you just need something to cover your nose and your mouth, and if you happen to have a yarmulke like this, or any kind of yarmulke, any color, but if you happen to have any yarmulkes or kippahs handy, this is what we're doing. So here's a yarmulke. I folded it in half, and then here's a coffee filter. So there's a coffee filter, and I just sort of folded it up a little bit, and then you can tuck it inside here. Tuck it inside the yarmulke like that. Okay, so the yarmulke and the coffee filter are in there. And essentially it's going to look like that when you're done. Okay, so all you have to do, seriously, is just, you don't need to be a sewing person. Just staple a couple of rubber bands on the yarmulke. And I hope I'm not offending my rabbi or anybody else in the community. I just dropped my rubber band, so hold on. I just dropped my second rubber band. Okay, so then get another rubber band and put it on the other side, and bam, you now have a fully functioning little mask to wear, and it's got the coffee filter inside. I know, isn't it so cute? Anyway, that's how we're making yarmulkes, just for families and things like that. But as you know, being the owner at Fully Promoted, we have many suppliers and are able to get our hands on the N95 masks for the medical community only, and the KN95 masks for everybody else. So if you're interested and want to inquire, the minimums are pretty high. It's a quantity of 400 is the minimum. So call me, email me at encinitas@fullypromoted.com. But just wanted to let you know that you don't have to buy those kind. You can just use a yarmulke with some rubber bands. Thank you. Bye. And Shabbat Shalom.